let's discuss the different laws and rules pagdating sa exponents. Let's try to tackle them one video at a time. This video, ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang product law. Kung saan ang sinasabi niya, when we have two numbers, very important, two numbers with the same base that were multiplying together, and each number has an exponent. Let's say this number has a base raised to x, and this number has a base raised to y. Ang sinasabi ng product law is we can simply add the exponents as long as their base is the same. Let's try one example. Three times 2 raised to 4. In this case, check muna natin kung pwedeng magamit si product law. So, in this case, ang base ng dalawa nating numbers ay parehas na 2. So, ngayon, alam na natin na yes, pwede natin gamitin yung product law. So, sabi natin na when we have two numbers that we're multiplying together that have the same base, we can just add the exponents. So, ganito lang. Kokopyahin natin yung base, which is si 2, and then i-add lang natin yung exponents nila. So, 3 plus 4. And then that would be 2 raised to 7. And then that is our answer. Ganun na natin gagamitin yung product law. Let's try to show one more example. Let's say 2 raised to 3 times 3 raised to 2. Ngayon, kaya ba natin gawin yung product law? Hindi. Kasi, hindi sila parehas ng base. This number has a base of 2. And this number has a base of 3. So, we cannot do the product law.